Welcome to Gentec, the most innovative technology in the commercial market. Important note: installation of all products must adhere to the manufacturer's guidelines, as well as comply with PCA, ASA/NZS 3500 standards, and any other relevant regulatory provision. If you are unsure, refer to the installation instructions included in the QR code. Water quality. Flush your lines before installing any Gentec products, and if an inline strainer is supplied, must be installed to ensure product is free of debris. Please follow the steps to make your installation quick and simple. Carefully inspect the contents of the box to ensure that all components, parts and accessories specified in the packing list and present, such as spray gun, tap body, 2 flexi hoses, wall mount bracket, cover flange, base flange, fixing kit, spring and hose. Attach both the hoses in the matching inlet, hot and cold. Screw in the 2 threaded studs. Place the flange in position. Ensure the O-ring is in place. Place both hoses in the tap hole one at a time. Ensure the mixer handle is installed on the right side. Place rubber and metal washer from underneath and screw on both lock nuts and tighten them using a tube spanner. Remove the spray gun bracket. Then, measure, mark, and cut the support bar to the desired length for its location, ensuring there is 2 to 5 millimeters of clearance between the bracket, wall, and the riser. Replace the spray gun bracket and ensure the holes align. Tighten the grub screw. Place the fixing plate on the support bar and mark the 3 holes. Ensure the riser is plumb. Drill the 3 holes as marked. Place the cover flange on the wall bracket. Fit the O-ring, olive and lock nut to the fixing point. Screw the fixing plate to the wall. Insert the support bracket into the fixing plate and tighten the nut and olive, ensuring a firm and solid installation. Slide the chrome cover plate. Place the fibre washer on top of the riser. Screw on the pre-rinse hose while holding the spring, then tighten. Apply adequate amount of thread tape. Screw the spray gun to the hose and tighten. Attach flexi hoses to water supply. Now we are ready to turn on the water supply and ensure no leaks evident. Activate to verify operation. Attach manufacturer's recommendation sticker to the wall. Installation is now complete. If you are still experiencing problem, ensure to check out the troubleshooting provided in the user manual. If you are unsure and need assistance, then contact Gentec on +612 93194 422 or email at info@gentecaustralia.com.au.